Hi guys, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian, author, YouTube host, and the face behind The Happiest Nutritionist. And I'm here to answer your questions. These days, it seems that everyone is looking for their next protein fix. But what you may not realize is that not all protein is created equal. And today, I'm going to tell you why whole food protein reigns supreme. Whole food proteins are exactly what they sound like, proteins made from whole foods. Think whole food sources like nuts, seeds, eggs, milk, cheese, lentils, pulses, even grains like quinoa, rice, and oats. You want to aim for food products made from real whole foods. That way, their delicate and valuable nutritional makeup stays intact so your body can mop up precious nutrients like protein. It's crucial to get enough protein from real food in your diet to deliver high quality and essential amino acids to that body of yours.
How do they do it? Where do they find all that energy, that seemingly inexhaustible store of pep and ginger?
We have protein to thank for an abundance of metabolic functions in the body, such as keeping our immune system strong, boosting energy, and supporting a healthy and efficient metabolism. So if you couldn't tell, protein is pretty essential to get in your diet. Next time you're planning your weekly menu, make sure you grab real foods like fruits, veggies, proteins, and grains, and real food products like Perfect Snacks, made with whole food protein.